Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, any part of the world you might be watching this. This is just a quick, summary video to show you what is achievable with Smart. You understand? Because I know a lot of persons have been asking that, have you actually been making good money from here? Have you withdrawn? And things like that. So that's why I just decided to quickly do this short video to show you the possibilities in Smart. You understand? So I'm going to just scroll to the total earnings. Then we'll come back to the asset wallet where we'll see my own withdrawals, from Smart so far. You understand? So let's go to the total earnings so that you see where I started my journey in Smart from. You understand? So every day the bot trades. It trades meme coins on GMGN. You understand? The trade is verifiable on chain. You can see every of the single trade. And at the end of the day, by 5 p.m. Nigerian time, it drops in the profit in our account. You understand? So here you can see the list of the profit. Let me go straight to page 33 so you can see where I actually started my investment journey with Smart Bot. You can see here, this is on the 18th of June, year 2025. You understand? So my first earnings was just very small, $1. So let's go page, so this is also part of it. You see, my next earnings was a little bit small, 5. You can see there, it keeps growing and growing and growing like that. You understand? And it just keeps growing and growing and growing like that. You can see since June last year up to today. You see, today is what? Today is 13th of March to year 2026. You can see the date right here. 13th of March, year 2026. You understand? So this is an opportunity of a lifetime, definitely. It's an opportunity no one can afford to joke with. So let's look at what the average profit is. By the time you give him feed this boat with your capital and it goes to work for you, let's look at the average profit. So yeah, this is not a Ponzi arrangement whereby you have fixed. You understand? There's no fix anything here. No, because it is a real market trade. So you are going to be seeing what we use more in Smart is what we call average profit. You understand why? Because as you can see on this chart, you discover that the chart is not in a straight line. Like every of the candles is not just every of this profit it makes is not having the same. No, you see that some goes low, some goes high, some goes low, because it is real market trading that this bot is doing. You understand? You can also verify the trades directly on chain. If I click on this, my MEV side here, you understand? So if I click on this MEV side, I can show you some of the trades real time. You understand? On blockchain. If I want to check the trade of sandwich boats, they have the atomic boat. It's two kind of boats we have here. Just click on it. You see Solana's ads. So once you scroll down, you are going to see a live stream of the trades. Yes, live stream of the trades. As the trade is happening real time on chain, you'll be able to see. So if I click on this link here, it takes me straight to the blockchain where I can even verify the trades to know the coin it bought. You understand? And the profit is made. So this is real time. This is not CBEX or all those scams that we've actually lost money to in the past. No. Every single one of these trade transactions is verifiable on the chain. You can see the coin it bought, the quantity and stuff like that. So this is real time trading. You understand? So you verify it for the atomic boat also too. If I click on this atomic boat starts also too, I can see the arbitrage trade is doing real time. You understand? If I click on this now, you see the trades there. You understand? So look at it. You understand? Live trades and the profit it's making in real time. You'll be seeing it there. You understand? The profit, the exchange on which it's trading to is to be showing. Okay, so let me allow this display properly so that we can all see it. Yeah. So let's allow it to load properly. So let me just refresh it a bit. Yeah, I think my network. So I don't want this video to be too long. So just show. Yeah, so okay, good. This is what I was trying to say. So you can see the profit showing, the exchange, the decentralized exchange is buying and selling on, the quantity it is buying, and of course the eventual profits. Very little profit, but it's arbitrage. Arbitrage just basically plays on the price gaps trades. Understand? So and use that to make the trade. So let's finally look at withdrawals. How fast are the withdrawals here? They are real fast withdrawals. So I'm going to show you some of the withdrawals here from my asset wallet. Asset wallet is where you connect where you make your withdrawals. And of course, if you want to see how withdrawals happen real time, you can also check my other videos on how to make withdrawals live in seconds. It's hit your wallet. So I'll click on outflow right here. So you can see these are live withdrawals. You can see the dates. So no forming here. You see the dates. You see the date. You understand? Right from when. If I go back to page 13, you see my very first withdrawal was this. You can see it right here. Very first withdrawal, very small, $18. You understand? Suddenly I've grown in leaps and bounds. You understand? And I'm now making close to like $400 withdrawal every day from this account. You can see the live trades account. These are withdrawals. You understand? So there's nothing to cajole you here. There's nothing to, this is real trading, real profit being generated. I want you to make your decision on time. And of course, reach out to whoever sent this video to you so that you can quickly get started with us and start making money the smartest way, online today. God bless you for watching this. Thank you.